Good morning. Today is June 17th, 2019, approximately 7:21. Olawale Okabola, Spartacus Trading Corporation, here to bring you a quick and dirty pre-market analysis for the S&P E-mini. This week is Fed week. Got the FOMC announcement on Wednesday. Also, Friday was rollover. I'm trading options for the probably the duration of the summer, so I'm still on the M contract. So you'll notice that my numbers could be off. Well, it should be off from those who are trading the U contract. Let's jump right into it. Um, I sent out a video for Friday the 16th or the 15th talking about an inventory imbalance regarding this day Thursday because of prominent point of control exponential of two poor lows back to back, and the market closed above the prominent point of control that did not migrate higher. So anyway, we have the same situation that happened on Friday. Okay, so it's basically the same thing that happened on Friday. It's going on. Well, Thursday is going on today on Friday. So we got inventory imbalance. So there is a daytime inventory imbalance. We got a prominent point of control. I think is 10 or 11 wide. We have a I think this prominent point of control is revisited. Yes, it was revisited, but we also have back-to-back poor lows, so we still have the exponential factor going on. I bought some puts over the. I bought some puts from Friday to take into today. Hopefully, looking for a sell-off. It didn't happen, so I took those puts off. But I'm looking to reestablish that position if the trade becomes available. I've identified some levels of stops that I would be interested in. Talking fast because the market's getting ready to open and I need to prepare, so I'm not going to talk about why I picked those levels. But if you can see, uh, the market has a rhythm to these levels, both above and below. We're projected to open that outside of value near the center of range. Ideally, I want to get a trade on. We begin to get acceptance below the overnight low, but if I'm waiting for acceptance below the overnight low, it's probably too late. So I'm going to have to lean into the win and trust that value would catch up to at least be overlapping and unchanged. And if we got anything more serious going to the downside, value begin to overlap at least lower, and if not completely lower. And I need one time framing to work for this trade. So that's what I'm looking at today. If we're going up, values higher. We're going to one time frame out of here, and we're going to stay and probably find acceptance above yesterday's range. But if we begin to dabble in and out of yesterday's range, Friday's range, and we did not revisit the prominent point of control, there could be a chance of a liquidation. And given the fact we got the exponential, you probably see something happen. Because it's Fed week, I don't expect any real big moves. If there is, it's probably from short covering or long liquidation. You can see from the stops we can either go higher or lower. Um, but I don't see anybody really doing anything. But what do I know? So we'll just sit back and read this market and see what happens. I just wanted to just share with you the fact that there is a daytime inventory imbalance. And as you can see from one of my favorite charts to help me determine there's daytime inventory imbalance, we have the volume profile, we have the time. They're both below, so there is an imbalance. So I'm thinking if we begin to trade below the settle, which is also last week's settle, it's a weekly reference. If we begin to trade below that settle, then could have a good opportunity of perhaps picking up a good trade to the downside. You just need to monitor for continuation. Continuation is defined through one time framing or perhaps get a double distribution keeping us lower. So that's it for the pre-market analysis. This is Olawale Okabola, Spartacus Trading Corporation. Hopefully this information will allow you to be profitable. If I have time today, I probably will be trading size. So if I can put on a video when I'm trading light size, I'll put on a video, a live video of possibly this trade if I'm trading light size. If I'm trading heavy size, forget about it. Okay, that's it. Have a good day.